What's up, motherfuckers? You already know what it is. Actified today. We're gonna be playing The Evil Within, and yeah, sadly it's on Xbox 360, but we'll make it work. Alright, so do we have subtitles on? We got everything on. And sadly this game is in bars, black bars, so yeah. We'll be a little bitch and go casual, just to get through the game quickly. Even though this game is a trial and error game, because there will be a lot of dying in this game, because I see everybody dying and there will be a lot of dying. So chapter 1, the emergency call. Oops.
All units, 1199, expedite cover code 3, Beacon Mental Hospital.
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
Sorry, detectives. I know
Swag.
you're just coming off a case, but I'm afraid we'll have to make a detour.
Sounds serious. Is it
Is that
riot?
me?
Call
I
went out
think
just
it
before
is.
picked you up. Said it was multiple homicides. Half a dozen units already
Well,
on
maybe.
scene.
131, please advise.
Hey, maybe it's the ghost of that doctor who
Oh,
went
God,
schizo and
sorry,
chopped
guys.
up all those patients.
That's not what happened. Some patients disappeared.
Yes, it is.
Some kind of scandal?
Still, gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127, 124, please respond.
Joseph, you think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
Anyone on scene, respond.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation? Over.
184, be advised.
Ooh, I forgot about. I haven't played my Xbox in a long time, honestly. Shit.
Is the
Yeah, like I'm getting the vibration and shit. I haven't played my Xbox in how long? Honestly, not a PC elitist, but I honestly prefer PC. I used to be a big console fanboy, but not anymore. And this is a big game, so expect to see a lot of parts.
Nothing
Like I
yet.
said, it is a trial and error game,
I'm sure
and
we'll know everything
there will
soon.
be a lot of dying. Ooh. Okay, so expecting from the cops, the empty cop cars, they're either dead or inside. So, yeah. And I've been looking up a lot about webcams or what webcams can. I looked at the C930, and that's what mostly every streamer and every YouTuber uses, the C930, and that shit is expensive. Holy fucking shit, dude! That shit's $100 for a webcam. And I thought it was like a decent, good webcam was gonna be around like at least like 50 or 60. And that's what I was expecting to spend. But ooh, running. What's it running? A? Ooh, okay, for sure. Damn, look at me. I'm sexy as hell. Hold up. Alright, so let's get into this shit. And I really do hate the black bars about it, but what can you do? And this game is made by the people that made Resident Evil. And yeah, so it is gonna be a Resident Evil type game and horror thing, majigger. But yeah. And each part is gonna be around 16 minutes long, I believe. And yeah. A lot of yeah. Yes, it does.
Smells like blood.
Oh,
right.
God.
Stay sharp.
No.
We're gonna check it out.
That ass,
Don't
though.
let
That
anyone
ass,
else through
though.
this door.
I can be an extra set of eyes.
We don't know what's happening here.
A lot of
Laura,
blood. You
back
see?
up.
This is nasty as hell. And the camera angle is so weird. Yeah, the fucking camera angle is fucking horrible. What the...
Did you hear something?
How'd I run? Oh, shit. Yeah, you see me trying to do the fucking camera angle. It's weird as hell.
Are you injured? What happened here?
Can't be real.
He's what, sir?
Impossible. Ruvik is...
I've got him. The security cameras might tell us something.
Security cameras. Alright, so we're looking for the security cams. Oh God. That nigga with no hesitation. That nigga just. Okay, that's why I wanted to have a what's it called, webcam, so you guys can see my reaction about the. Oh my God. Oh shit about the whole game and shit. Like honestly, but what can you do? I'll get it soon though. You guys will see my cute ass face soon enough. Soon enough. And today we finally finished our Never Ending Nightmare series. I was very happy about that, and it looks like we're dripping blood. Is that a rat? Yes, it is. That's a lot of blood. And apparently we're hanging. There's dead bodies everywhere. Great. Yep, knew it. We're hanging. Oh my God. What the hell are you? What are you? What is you? Oh, there's a knife. Okay. And that guy's just hanging up, dangling. Oh my God. That's my feet. Oh, okay. That's a lot of body parts. That's a lot. Can we? Okay, so that's a lot of body parts. The sound of body parts leaking. That's a lot. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna swing to that knife. Come on, we're almost there. Thrust it. Come on, get some thrust. We're almost there. We got it. Ooh. Okay, so we're in a place where a butcher house maybe. Oh my God. Okay. Oh great. Okay, so how do I crouch? All right, move. Go. All right, so how are we gonna do this? Hey, get it. Okay, all right, we got the keys. Get the keys. Come on. Yeah, that bitch don't see us. Oh my God. Okay. Is this the door? Can we open it? Yo, this game is already fucking freaking me out. Open the fucking door, dude. What are you doing? How do you run? Why are we walking? Where's the guy at? This is so... Where the fuck is the guy at, dude? Oh shit. Is that guy running at us? Oh my God. That shit is loud in my ear. Run, my nigga, run. We don't fuck with niggas with chainsaws. We don't. That's not what we do. We don't stay in fucking slaughterhouse. Oh great, why would you? Oh my God, my leg. Okay, so run. Oh my God. Oh, that's real close to me. Oh great. Okay, so come on. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is exactly how you get Ebola. This is exactly how you get. That nigga is drowning in a pool of blood. That doesn't happen every day. And that's in. Oh, that's in his mouth. Yeah, that's exactly how you guys get Ebola. That's exactly what happens. Okay, so let's climb up this and see if we can escape the horror that we're in. Ooh, can we get up here? I hear where the okay. What the hell? Nigga, are you oh yeah, I forgot he got chainsawed in the back. Oh man, damn. That's a deep wound. Oh man, I'm sorry. Psych. What the hell? Every time it fucking checkpoints saves the game, that shit freezes. Is it this way? Dude, the fucking camera angle is horrible in this game. But what can you honestly do? Okay, nothing down there. And it's real slow. I'll probably just bump up the sensitivity or something. Do we maybe? We're in. That was the wrong way. Wait, was it? Yeah, the fucking what is wrong? Bro, I straight up just commit suicide. I wouldn't even stay this long. This is horrible. No one shut that door. I don't know. Look for the big red exit sign. Fucking A, dude. Oh, look, there it is. The exit, maybe. Oh, didn't even see this. Okay, so yeah, man, I want a face cam. I'm probably to get one this weekend, just so you guys can see my sexy, beautiful ass face. Play horror games and other games, and yeah. And I'm most likely to upgrade to Audio Technica mic and the mic stand, because I'm not really feeling the Blue Snowball that much. I had it for about a year. Yeah, year, and it's still in good condition, and just don't really want it. Ooh, is this a journal? There's books next to it. Okay, so boiler room note. Confirmation of the brainwave synchronization. Lost minimal. Continue expert. Agent collects data. Blah blah blah. Anomaly. Okay, this is nothing. Fuck that shit. A. Look at this, man. Honestly, watch the guy just be like straight up at the end of the hall, dude. Oh my god. Yo, straight up, I'm freaking crouching the whole way, yo. Cause watch when that nigga is like right around the corner. I'm gonna freak the hell out. Oh shit. Get the fuck in there. Yo, get in there. Okay, RB, hide. What the? Yo.
Better hide.
Oh my god. That's it. We're done. We're dead. We're fucking dead. Oh, he just. Okay, someone's mad. Okay. Chill out. That nigga is heated, yo. Oh, he just destroyed the fucking. I think there's a door right to my right. Yeah, we're really gonna wait for this guy. I mean, I would do the real nigga thing to just run and just like slap him in the face. Oh my god. And just slap him in the face and just like run away, but nah, man, that nigga got a chainsaw. There's nothing I can do. Is it too soon? Why would we go the way he went? Oh shit. Okay, this is the hard part, I think. Enemy alerts icon. Okay. Again, I'm pretty sure I'm dripping blood. Yes, I am. Okay, we can't let him see you. Okay.
Can't
All right.
see me.
All right. Yeah, see, if I would have went, I would have fucking died. Oh. That's... I don't trust that. Oh, that nigga's mad, dude. I'm looking over the thing, dude. That shit is like... Oh, okay. I'm up. Dude, like, this... Dude, this is like the angle they... I'm out. Come on, walk. Walk. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god, I made it, Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Make it to this door. Oh, Make it to the door. Make it to the door. Oh god. I'm out. Oh, did we make it? Come on. Oh my god, dude. Oh god, we made it. Oh my god, that nigga's right behind me. Go, motherfucker, go. Don't trip. Go. I'm pressing X so that nigga can go. How you gonna fall over on Ernie? Come on, get this shit. Oh hell no, nigga. That nigga wanna kill me so bad? Like why? Alright guys, this is gonna end the episode 1 of The Evil Within, and we'll move on after this. See you guys in the next chapter.